I consider that children to a center exam could have this access to internet science. It is a tool that different information that can help in development by providing knowledge and skill in a world that is practically immersed in technology. But I think that a different study indicates that should not imposed before the age in 3 and it could affect their psychomotor and cognitive development.
As you mentioned, Lina, I also think that technology and the internet is a tool that can be of help and support for the development of children. However, I think that this navigation through the different internet platforms should be supervised by an adult, since as been shown many times in news reports, among others, there are many dangers on the internet. What do you think about this, Pamela?
If, as you mentioned, but I agree with your point because it is a tool that delays the development of the child as it can also generate a danger for doing the here the educator or the tutor does childs play a super important role since it is the one how you must teach how to use the internet in a safe way so that the children is not in danger and there is not going to be sometime the does not correspond to help. That is why there are also told that book certain internet pages that there is danger the her and this help the children. It is only to have in page that they are going to serve for their development and learning. Referee to
While it is mentioned that each tool that we use in education has its pros and cons, so like everything else, it has advantages and disadvantages. This is why I consider that technology should be used, but why the preoccupations that it could mention and why cautions. Already, that although I can be addicted, it can generate health problems, and will as it can be a great tool when tuition.
I totally agree with both have you said, but I would like to highlight one of the pros that technology has: learning something by watching. I mean, existing tutorials on YouTube or other platforms, since it is an excellent method to teach something children, as they can learn to play an instrument, cook recipes, make things with different materials, among others. The point is that if children are informed about the dangers and advantages of the internet, and their parents constantly monitor what they are seeing, everything would be better.
referee to what you mentioned, Valentina, it would be the same if the government invested in talk and resource to deliver technological education and how to use it safely.